Hi everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. So, I woke up to the sound of rain. As in, umuulan ng bongga ngayon. I had to wake up kasi kailangan kong ibaba yung mga basura. I slept at 6 a.m. As in 6 a.m. just to finish doing everything. I cleaned up the apartment. I tidied up everything. Let me show you what I did. So, here is my desk area. Maayos na lahat. My printer is down there since I don't have like space pa. Pero another table's coming in very soon. Here is my dresser. And I just lighted the candle. I started lighting this one last night kasi sobrang bango ng buong apartment. This was given to me by Jerome. And isang ano lang yung sinindihan ko kasi pag tatlo, mabilis siya mauubos. So, and I also have here like fake flowers lang. This is the thing that my sister gave to me. Tawag dito. Pero yan. And then I have my Teddy Blake bag. And then over here, I was able to tidy up all the shelves. So, maayos na siya in my opinion. Pero ito naman, ito yung mga bagong makeup na hindi pa nagagamit. Sobrang dami, isang buong ano. And then these ones naman, I have used na. Tapos ito yung mga bag. Ito naman, later ko aayusin yan. As in, arrange ko lahat ng mga makeup ko. So, medyo magulo pa yan. Pero at least maayos na. Down here, I have a couple of stuff pa. Kasi wala pa akong extra storage drawers. So, I still keep them in like boxes. Clothes to. Ito yung mga products naman. Ito medyo magulo pa. Pero I'll fix that later on. We have clean makeup brushes. If you remember this space, sobrang dami niyang kalat nung kahagabi. Pero, I was able to pile it up na isa for Mama ni Mark. Isa for, ito Mama ni Mark. One more for the 100K giveaway. Sobrang daming product yan, guys. Isang bag yan. And then, I have makeup. Makeup to fill, makeup to use, makeup to give away. And then, this pile naman, all of that are for filming. So, medyo madami-dami yan. Mini sew bag. This drawer, puro damit yan. Ayos na rin. Also going out without any makeup on today just to let my skin breathe. Medyo umokay na rin yung skin ko. I've been using this Asian Secret soap. Maganda siya, bongga siya. I like it. Now riding Uber, guys. If ever you haven't tried riding Uber, use my code UberSaTyoko to get your first ride for free up to 200 pesos. So, yeah, I'm heading to SM Manila na. I have a bunch of bills to pay. And then, kailangan mag-grocery since I don't have any food sa apartment. And then, my sister made me watch pala Me Before You. It's a movie with Khaleesi, si Emilia Clarke. Tsaka yung dad ni, dad ng lalaki, ni Will, si ang pangalan niyan? Si Tywin Lannister. Sa rin, pero yun, sobrang nakakaya. Anyway, she just gave me a link, an online link, kaya I'll have it in the information box. Super ganda. Here at the French Baker, ayan, so I'm having fettuccine a la carbonara. Time for drinks! I ordered matcha. First time kumala tayo ng matcha ng Starbucks, so siguro masarap. Sister! Mom, sister! Grocery shopping. Sa pala mama at sa akin. Kinukuha mo ba ako? Video. So after this, pupunta kami ng apartment to get laundry. Tapos pupunta ako sa bahay. To hug the doggy wuggy. It's the next day, guys. I wasn't able to finish vlogging yesterday, but we had dinner with family sa SM Manila. And then, I fell asleep very early. 9:42 p.m. palang tulog na ako. I usually fall asleep at 7 a.m. Pero I had to reset my body clock because it was like messing up with my schedule. Kaya, inayos ko yun. So today, Mark is coming over and I'm going to cook him some chicken curry. Ayan, so we have potatoes, which I have lying around for quite a while na. I have 2 eggs. I have the golden curry sauce from the Asian aisle at SM City, Manila. And then I also have here chicken, which I have out thawing for a couple of hours or minutes na, kaya ready na siya. I also lighted my favorite candle as of the moment, which was given to me as a gift from Jerome. It's called the Dream Big Bath and Body Works candle. Sobrang bango. As in, sobrang bango talaga. Grabe. Also watching a couple of videos while I cook. I have It's Judy's Life. And then, I also have here a video of Fusi Tube. Tawang-tawa nga kami kay Mama kahapon because we were hanging out here. And then my mom said, ano? Pussy Tube? Pussy Tube daw, nakakatawa. It's almost done, guys. I have 2 eggs for me and Mark. And then we have chicken and potatoes. Yummy. Sobrang dali lang gawin ito, as in sobrang dali. I love it.
Hi.
Hi. Making some avocado shake, guys. So I'm using the shake and take from an Instagram shop. I'll have the link in the information box. So you just basically put this tumbler dyan. Tapos, yan, I'm gonna try it. First time to use it. Super sarap nung avocado shake. Pero medyo weird lang yung paghalo nung shake and take kasi parang bottom lang yung nakahalo niya. Pero anyway, Mark and I just finished dinner. We weren't able to vlog. Pero kumain lang kami sa tabi-tabi. I got a package from Laneige. How do you say this? Laneige, chuba-chuba. Okay, open ko to para makita ko sa inyo. Anyway, we got my favorite ice cream. Sobrang love ko ngayon to. Carmen's Best. As in, sobrang sarap niya. I can eat this all day, every day. Etong maliit na to, 100 pesos na siya. Since I don't know, sabi ni Iza, meron na sa Robinson's Place yung pint. Pero ito 100, nakakaloka. So this is the perfect synergy of two Laneige two-tone color. Ano siya? Two-tone shadow bar. Uy, bongga. Ano to? Eyeshadow ba? Yep, eyeshadow for seamless blending of 2 colors. Let's open it. Ooh! Ayan, so we have two-tone lip colors. We have eyeshadow bars na two-tone din. Two-tone shadow bar humming coral. Ang ganda! Anyway, I'll do a video on this. Tignan natin kung bongga or not. Pakita ko sa'yo. Ay, naka-tape siya. Pakita ko sa'yo sa video. Yay! Thank you, Laneige! Okay, so this will go on my to-film pile. Dito muna siya. Ay, girl, hindi kaya. Okay, here. Ayan. Okay, dami na naman. So, si Smart, you all know that I use my pocket Wi-Fi and I use Smart, the OnlySurf 995. Tilanggal nila. As in, permanently, wala na talaga. Kahit sa mga karinderya, wala na. So, I switched to using Sun. Pero, inaano ko pa lang siya kasi kakatapos na nung Smart ko. So, kinakapa-kapa ako pa yung Sun if it would work or not. Pero, 3G lang siya. And, I subscribed for 7 days ba, B3? 7. So, for 1 week, I'll try it out and see if it works. Sana kayanin niya pag-upload ng videos ko. Nakakaloka. Anyway, yun lang ang dilemma ko ngayon. Since, hindi din ako pwede magpakabit dito kasi baka nga next year lumipat din ako ng apartment. So, you know, magulo. So, anyway, we'll see. Nagluto ako ng curry. Tinanong kita kung masarap. Anong sinagot mo?
Masarap.
Sabi niya, instant.
Masarap naman.
That's it na muna for today's vlog. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Tomorrow, ano tayo? Nail appointment. Tapos kakain kami sa Ipudo. May bagong dish daw sila.